Hello everyone, today we will introduce the charming motorcycle CP250PY-4. This motorcycle is equipped with a 4-cylinder air-cooled engine with a displacement of 249 milliliters and stable power output. It has a maximum power of 14 plus or minus 5% kW and a maximum torque of 18, 5% Nm. The explosive power for starting, accelerating is directly maximized. Dual mode of electric start and foot start. The maximum speed is greater than or equal to 95 km/h. Welcome to the factory for a test ride.